If you're a video editor, then I know what you're thinking.
Please, go on.
AI will take away my job.
I don't know. I'm scared.
This is a fear that you and me as a video editor are battling every day as the technology is growing in the future.
Then we should all come together.
Oh, what is this?
Just paint over the first frame of the clip and the tool will apply the same style to all the remaining frames in the clip. And this will create a mind-blowing, different artistic style video in just a few minutes. So the next tool is a must-have for all the producers, all the content creators, all the video editors, ShortDev. This library is available for research, references, inspiration, education, anything at your fingerprints. You can search by a keyword or a movie name and receive a beautiful presentation of results. You can download for your reference in your own films.
Holy guacamole!
So the next tool is Move.ai. Move.ai lets you create high-quality motion capture data from video in any environment using mobile phones. Gone are the days of needing a mocap suit just to realistically animate 3D characters. Soon you'll be able to use videos from any smartphone to get an accurate motion capture performances without the need of any markers.
That's amazing.
Next tool will help you create a 3D mock-up. Next tool is for all the 3D creators, Turbo Render. It is a cloud rendering service that lets you upload your project files to their cloud and have them render it for you. It works with all the major softwares like After Effects, Blender, 3ds Max, Maya, and you can even batch render multiple projects at the same time without locking up your computer resources. So the next tool is for all the podcasters, even for the video podcast editors, Adobe Podcast.
Nasty but classy.
Adobe Podcast is a web-based AI, amazing audio recording and editing tools at your fingertips. It lets you create professional audio even when you don't have a podcast studio. You can easily remove noise with their enhanced speech feature. You can even do recording remotely with multiple people available at different places.
Eternal podcasting glory.
That's it for this video. We'll get back to you with more AI tools which will help you in your video creation journey.